Hi guys, Brock Wagner here with Onstage Hair Design, here to talk to you about two of Oribe's products today. Straightaway is one of my favorite products. It's one of the green tubes. What I really like is it's rich with B1, B5, and B12 vitamin. So it has that activated in it. With Straightaway, a little goes a long way. So a little bit minced through the ends, blow dried in just like normal. And it actually has heat activated proteins that activate as you're blow drying them. This one isn't a heat protectant in it, so you would need to follow up with your Impermeable blowout, or you need to follow with Balm Dior Heat Styling Shield. At home, when blow drying your hair, instead of having to use so much heat and so much tension trying to straighten out your hair, this one product will go through and straighten it out for you, so you don't have to use so much damage and so much heat on your hair. On to Supershine. Supershine is one of my favorites. There's two byproducts with it. There's Supershine and then there's Supershine Light. Depending on if your hair is more on the finer and lighter side, I would go for Supershine Light. If your hair is more dense, more heavier, a little bit more coarse and thicker, you can go for Supershine to kind of seal that cuticle down. Supershine is a leave-in conditioner. So you hear the words leave-in conditioner and it's perfect for curly hair. Curly hair that gets drier over time. This, every now and then, blow drying your hair with this in there is actually going to have a heat protectant in there, and it's gonna seal those split ends for you. So it's gonna repair your hair as well. If you don't wanna blow dry your hair in it, you do not. You can actually diffuse it in, and it's still a leave-in moisturizing cream. So it's not necessarily for straight, just for moisture. It also evens out the moisture level that's in the hair. So if your scalp tends to be a little bit more drier and your ends seem to get a little bit more oily, using this product will go in and even that out to ensure that you'll have a natural soft root and your ends throughout the end will be completely even.